The Meghalaya Accredited Social Health Activist Workers Union, or Mashawu, on Friday decided to call off the indefinite sit-in demonstration cum protest march at the main secretariat, which is scheduled to be held from November 27. While speaking to reporters after the meeting held at the Golfing Community Hall, Mashawu President Marajun Mirsing, however, said that they have not yet able to decide whether to accept the offer of the state to hike their monthly honorarium from 2,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees with the implementation of community-based health incentives. Mirsing also informed that the ushers will immediately resume their normal duties.
Kata ka bang ang incentive ka ba makiki ang kadai bin kita kasi hajar tangba ki ong pat bangi hapan kali na kirang basnong te hapan kali na kirang basnong bar ki committee tingin sa to siya kan ka ik ba kirang basnong ki jongi na mar ki yu ba ki asa kuno ki traditional kitip khamha kirang basnong mo ay ki trai jongi asa tala da kirang basnong jongi ki ong am tala biang tangkung ne kata ka syong hada jingi am manjur jong kirang basnong ki jongi ada ki ong nagalyang jongi ngim pat sangkun ba ki asa jongi kinyo tangkung ne yin sa tangapot